Alright, so some of you wanted a video of the nerf caliburn that I printed. So this is about 50 hours worth of time. It's a pump action setup. I've got a extremely large beefy spring in here that I custom made on my lathe. It's just an air piston setup. Basically, it's got a sear setup for the trigger and a piston plunger inside of it with O-rings, all that kind of stuff. It's all sealed with O-rings to focus all the air. The end of the barrel has a working diffuser setup, which vents the excess air around the dart and creates a vortex to give it some spin so it can shoot straight. This setup is using these X darts, which are a little harder, a little more aerodynamic. They're about $8 for 100 of them. So yeah, basically the way the spring is set up, it's kind of a bitch to pump, but maybe hear the sound of this thing. Silencer's a little bit loose. Take that off.